Hey guys, it's Marion with MB Elite and Brickhouse Realty. I'm one of the local realtors here in Miami, Florida. I service Miami-Dade and Broward County. I just had a conversation with my marketing director, Steve, and he's challenging me to a 90-day social media kind of YouTube challenge. So every day for the next 90 days, I have to put out a video on anything, on mainly the journey of becoming a social media, YouTube, Facebook, live blogger, whatever you do it kind of thing. So today, day one, we're going to talk about one of the most commonly asked questions that I get from some of my clients, or people that are calling in wanting to buy a home but need some more information, because that's basically what I do. I'm more of an educator than anything else when it comes to real estate, because people have so many questions. But so the topic that I'm going to talk about today is, what kind of credit do I need to be able to buy a house? Is my credit worthy of home ownership? So I spoke with one of my lenders today, with Regions Bank, Anibal, and we talked about this because in real estate you can buy a house with 600 credit score, 580 credit score, 700 credit score, but he said at the minimum 580 is what you need. That brings you into an FHA, which is a government type loan, which comes in as low as 3.5% down, and that will better your credit score. Like if you have a credit score of 750 and you've been on your job for a good amount of time and you don't have a lot of debt, things that you're paying for, of course those deals are going to, that credit score in that situation is going to get you a most ideal interest rate, qualification for the amount of money for property and things like that. So to buy a house in South Florida, 580 at a minimum, but if you can get better, that's even better. Be on your job a minimum of 2 years. If you've been on a job less time than that, like you've changed jobs, but the job is in the same industry. I work for Wells Fargo Bank, now I work for Bank of America. Let's just give an example. We're in the same industry, we can still take that with less than 2 years, but ideal is 2 years on the job. So today is day one. We've talked about your credit score, type of income and credit score that you need. Stay tuned tomorrow for day two of my 90-day marketing challenge with my marketing director. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.